children. So we are doing linear equations two variables. In the last class, the basics that involved in linear equations we discussed. Now, what is linear equation? You know that the first degree, the highest power is 1. It is linear equation. The equation whose degree is 1. The equation whose degree is 1 is called linear equation. The linear equation two variables means it should be involved in either x or y. Then it is called linear equation. The general form of linear equation two variables is already I told you. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. The general form of linear equation two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Linear means the power should be 1 only. The variable should have the power only 1 only. Then it is linear equation two variables. The general form of linear equation two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Where a, b, c are real numbers. Where a, b, c are the real numbers means any values minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 10, minus 9, anything. So a, b, c are belongs to real numbers. And what are a, b, c are? A, B, C are the coefficients. A, B, C are the coefficients. A is the x coefficient, B is the y coefficient, C is the constant. What is A here? The small a represents here coefficient of x. Small b represents coefficient of y. C is the constant. So, in the last class, how to change into ax plus by plus c equal 0 we discussed. Now, children, in this class, I am going to explain exercise problems. Exercise wise, sample problems I will explain. For every model problems, every first problem are there. In first problem there are 8 bits are there, 1 bit I will explain. Similarly, problem wise I will explain some bits, rest of the two as a homework. Okay children, now I start exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. First problem. Express the following linear equations in the form of express the following linear equations. Express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. This is the first question, exercise 6.1. The bits given here, first bit is 8x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. Express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate. Already it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. If it is not in that form, you need to write in that form. Okay. It is already in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Where it is already in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Compare what are ABC values and indicate the ABC values of ABC. A is equal. What is A? X coefficient. X coefficient how much here? A. What is y? B coefficient. B is the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y how much? 5. What is C? C is the C is equal to how much? Minus. Like this you need to do, children. Okay. One more problem I tell you in this fifth bit x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. Now it is not in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You need to change into ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. So take this is fractional form, x by 3 plus y by 4 equals 7. What you have to do? You take the LCM. 3, 4 LCM. 12. 3, 4, LCM 12. 3 how many times does go into 12? 4 times. 4 into x, 4x. 4 how many times does go into 12? 3 times. 3 into y, 3y is equal to 7 by 1. Now 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 7 84. Now it is not in the form ax plus by only. So ax 4x plus 3y, this left side minus 84 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Plus c or minus anything. Okay. So a is equal to what here? X coefficient 4. B is equal to y coefficient 3. C is equal to minus 84. I hope you clearly understood children. Okay. Next I go for second problem. Rest of the bits you do it. Rest of the bits in exercise 6.1. Rest of the bits, first problem I explained first bit and 50 bit. Rest of the bits I'm skipping, you do it. It is not possible to explain each and every problem in this video class. Okay. I hope clearly understood. The rest of the problems you do as homework. Now I go for second problem. Second, write each of the following in the form of a same model. Second answer, same model. Write each of the following. Write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and find the values of a, b and c together. Say first bit one only. First bit 2x is equal to 5. This you need to write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. But y is missing here. Y is not here. Only x is there. Y variable is missing here. Okay. So what you have to write? You will write this 2x equal to 5. Write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The variable with whatever variable missing in that place write 0. Whatever variable missing in that place, what you have to write? 0. Here what variable is missing? Y value is missing here. So 2x plus y is missing here. Y is missing. You write down 0 into y. 0 into y. Y is missing. One x missing. Or x. Suppose x is missing. 0 into x write down. The y is missing. 0 into y. Plus y in this side. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now write a equal to how much? 2. B means y coefficient 0. C equal to minus 1. Like this you do children. Okay, one more bit I tell you. Second bit also I explain. Second bit is y minus 2 equal to 0. So x missing here. X missing means write what? 0 into x. 0 into x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. X coefficient a is equal to 0. B is equal to y coefficient nothing means 1. C is equal to minus 2. Like this, rest of the bits you do children. Now I go for third problem. I hope you clearly understood. Okay, right. Now, third. Express the following statements as a linear equation in two variables. First bit children, the sum of two numbers is equal to the sum of two numbers is 34. The sum of two numbers is 34. So this we have to express in the form of express the following statements as a linear equation. As a linear equation. How to change into linear equation? Okay. Now, the sum of two numbers. Two numbers we don't know. The two numbers are we don't know. Two numbers. Sum of two numbers means sum of them. When you add them, you will get 34. Let two numbers be x and y. Sum of them. Sum means plus. X plus y is equal to how much? 34. Like this. Now, second bit. The cost of a ball pen is 5 rupees less than half the cost of fountain pen. The cost of ball pen. The cost of a ball pen is 5 rupees less than half the cost of a fountain pen. Fountain. The cost of ball pen is 5 rupees less than the cost of fountain pen. Ball pen, how is the ball pen cost is 5 rupees less than the half the cost of fountain pen. If you know the fountain pen cost, you can write the cost of ball pen. So let us say that ball pen, the cost of ball pen be 5 rupees. Let the cost of a ball pen be x. The cost of fountain pen be y. According to given problem, the cost of ball pen, the cost of a ball pen is equal 5 rupees less than half the cost of fountain pen. According to the statement, according to the given problem, the cost of ball pen is 5 rupees less than half the cost of fountain pen. The cost of ball pen how much? X is equal 5 rupees less than half the cost of fountain pen. Half the cost of fountain pen. Fountain pen cost y. Half means half y. Half y. How much less? 5 rupees. Less means minus 5. X is equal to what you got? X is equal to half y minus 5. So x plus half y carry left side minus half y. Minus 5 carry this side plus 5 is equal to 0. Now take LCM 2. 1 into 2 times 2x. 2 into 1 time y. 1 into 2 times 2 5 is 10 is equal to 0. 0 by 1. Now 2x minus y plus 10 is equal to 2 into 0 0. So this is we got in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So like this, rest of the bits do children. In the third problem, I explained 1 and 2 bits. You complete third to 6 bits. Third to 6 bits. Next topic is solution of a linear equation 2 variables. Solution of a linear equation 2 variables. What is solution? What is solution? Solution means the values which satisfy the given equation. The values that satisfy the given equation is called its solution. Solution of linear equation in 2 variables. What is solution? The values that satisfies that satisfies the given equation is called its solution. Given equation is called solution. So here let us find out. Let us check. For which values it is true? For which values it is true? For which values it is true? Express example. Express y is equal to 7. For x is equal to 3. For x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. It is true. On what values for x and y it becomes 7? X value 3, y value 4, or x value 4, y value 3, it is true. Or x value 0 and y value 7. Many solutions will get it. So put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. 3 plus 4, 7. So what is the solution? Solution xy is equal x 3, y 4. 3, 4 solution. Or x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Or x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 also. X is equal to 0 also. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. 0 plus 7? 0 plus 7, 7. So solution is what? Solution x 0, y 7. Or y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7 also. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7 also 7. The solution is what? Solution is 7, x 7, y 0, like this. Solution means the values which satisfy the given equation is called a solution. Like this, you can find out the many solutions. Many solutions for the given pair of linear equation. You can check it. How can you check? Check the solution for the equation x plus y equal to. Let us check. Checking means just you substitute in the given equation. Check the following are solutions of an equation x plus 2y equal to 4. Whether 0 2 is solution or not, check it. 0 and 2 solution of x plus 2y equal to 4. In the earlier problem, what did we do is we checked for which values it satisfied, that is the solution. So what I am saying here, what given here, 0 2 is the solution of x plus 2y equal to 4. Is it true? How can you check this? Substitute. X is equal to 0, y is equal to, substitute in this. Substituting x is the first value is x, second is y. X is equal to 0. Substituting x equal to 0, y is equal to in given linear equation. Linear equation. Linear equation is what? X plus 2y is equal to 4. So when you substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 in this, you should get the answer 4. Then only it is solution. Otherwise it is not solution. X how much? 0. 2 into y how much? 2. So that is equal to 4. 0, 2 to the 4 is equal to 4. LHS is equal to RHS. 4 is equal to 4. It is satisfied. Okay, we got yes, it is solution. Yes, it is solution. One more, I tell you check 2, 0. Is 2, 0 is solution or not? This is x, y. You take the linear equation. Linear equation is what? X plus 2 is equal to 4. In this substitute, x is 2, 2 into y value 0 is equal to 4. 2 into 0, 0 is equal to 4. Is 2 is equal to 4? No. Left side how much we got 2? Right side 4. You should get the answer 4. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not solution. It is not solution. I hope you clearly understood children. How can you check it? You substitute in that. When you substitute, you should get the RHS. So, when you substitute 2, 0 in this, you should get answer 4. But you didn't get answer 4. How much got 2? So, 2 is not equal to 4. So, both sides you should get the same answer. LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS should be the same. Then only it is the solution. It is the solution. So, now, one more problem I will explain. If x is equal to 3, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 5x, solution of the equation 5x minus 7y equal to k. Is it solution? If the solution means it satisfies the given equation. Then find the value of k. Find the value of k and write the resultant equation. The resultant equation. So what is saying? It is a solution is saying. If the solution means it satisfies the given equation. Substitute in that. Then you find the k value. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is a solution of given equation. That is, what is given equation? 5x minus 7y equal to k. In this substitute, 5 into x value how much? 3. Y value how much? 2. Is equal to 3. 5 to the 15, 7 to the 14 is equal to 3. So 15 minus 14 1. Therefore, k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. Write the resultant equation. Resultant equation means 5x minus 7y equal to how much? 5x minus 7y equal to k. So 5x minus 7y equal to k value 1. This is the resultant equation. So when it is a solution, when you substitute it, the missing value will get k value. 5x, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is a solution of 5x minus 7y equal to k. Find the value of k. He is saying that it is a solution. The solution means it satisfies. X is equal to 3, y is equal to put it, you will get k value. So resultant equation is what? 5x minus 7y equal to k. K value is 1. Like this, you can check it. Exercise 6.2 problem, sir. You can do it. Exercise 6.2. Find the 3 different solutions of each of the following equations. Solutions you find out by imagination only, which the values which satisfies the given linear equation is called solution. Like that, for each problem, for first problem, 3 solutions find out. 3 solutions find out. Exercise 6.2. I go for exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2, first problem. Find 3 solutions. Find 3 solutions of each of the following equation. First equation: 3x plus 7y, 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So whatever that, for what values of x and y, it becomes 7. It becomes 7. So I take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 I take. Prove it. It is whether it satisfies or not. When you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, you should get r at 7. So 3 into x value is 1, y value is 1. 3 1 is 3, 4 1 is 4. Yes, 7 is equal to 7. Both you got same, whether it is equal or it is. Therefore, so 1 comma 1 is the solution. 1 comma 1 is a solution of given equation. Similarly, how many solutions you have to find out? 3 solutions. Only one digit. One more solution find out. More 2 solutions find out. So for what values of x and y it becomes 7? It becomes 7. One comma one is a solution of the given equation. One more solution. For which values of x and y it becomes 7? Just imagination. X is equal to 3 to 6. Y is equal to 1. 4 1 is 4. 6 plus 4 10 gave me, not 7. Which value? for which value of this. So then how to do this? Like this, when such problems arises, when you face such situation, how can you face such situation? It is easy. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So how to find the solutions in such cases? What is given here? 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. You convert into 4y is equal plus 3x, shift right side, minus 3x. 4y is equal this one. Y is equal 7 minus 3x by 4. Put x value, you get y value. Put x is equal to 1 here. So y is equal to 7 minus 3 into 1 by 4. Y is equal to 7, 3 1 is 3 by 4. 7 minus 3, 4. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, we did it here, like this. If you want to directly, you do like this. 1 comma 1 is the solution. So x is equal to, put x is equal to, so y is equal to 1 comma 1 solution. 1 comma 1 solution is a solution. X is equal to, substitute 7 minus 3x by 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to by 4. 7 minus 1 by 4. What is the solution? When x is equal to, y is how much bar? 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 is a solution. We asked to prepare 3 solutions. One more. Put x is equal to 3. So y is equal to what? 7 minus 3x by 4. Y is equal to 7 minus 3x value 3 by 4. So 3 and 9 by 4. 7 minus 9 minus 2 by 4. 2 1 2. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So when x is equal to 3, y how much got? Minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2 is the solution. So how can you find out the solutions? Given linear equation, write in the form of y is equal to 3x plus 4y equal to 7. 4y is equal to plus 3x right side minus 3x. Y is equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Assume give any value for x. Give any value for x, will get y values. For put x is equal to 1, I got it y1, 1 comma 1. Put x is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2 by 4, we got 1 by 4. So when x is equal to, y is equal to 1 by 4, 2 comma 1 by 4. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7 minus 3x by 4, 7 minus 3 into x 3, 3 and 9, 7 minus 3 minus 2 by 4, plus 2 by 2. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to how much got? Minus 1. Like this, you can find out the solutions. Okay, you can find out as many solutions. Like this, you can complete exercise 6.2. 0, comma a and b, comma 0, second question. In this remaining bits, you do it. Remaining bits, you do it. I hope you clearly understand. Okay. Now, rest of the problems, exercise 6.2 sample problems I explained. Rest of the problems you do for homework. If any problems are there, you just work out. Very easy. Okay. Thank you.